Welcome back to Natalia's classroom. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for Python tutorials. Today I'm going to discuss that how can we create dictionary in Python and how can we use it and what are the benefits of creating and using dictionary instead of arrays. So first of all, let us create a dictionary. So the syntax is we don't need to import anything for creating dictionary. So I'm making a dictionary profit underscore dict, adding Python lists and Python numpy arrays and now Python dictionary. All these are basis for data science. And when you intend to learn data science using Python, or when you want to do some analysis based on data using Python programming language, then these all data structures are used. So that is why it is very important to first have a good grip and good knowledge of these data structures and then move on to the actual analysis. And soon I am going to start another series of lessons where I will discuss the object oriented techniques in Python and design patterns in Python. So, anyways, let's move on to the dictionary. So, profit underscore dictionary, and here the syntax is that we need the curly brackets, and in the curly brackets, we need to write our key values, key and value combination. So, the first thing I will write is the key. It can be number, string, or float, whatever data type available. And then we need to put a colon, and then we need to put the um, value. For I have a key value first year, and the profit is 2.4 billion. So the profit is in billions. So first year is my first year. This is my key, and 2.4 is the value of this key. So the key can be float, can be integer, can be string, and the value can be as well float, integer, or string. Whatever data types are available, you can have your values and keys of any data type. So dictionary, let's create another second year is my second key, and the value is 5 point. So this is my second year key, and this is 5 is the value. So you can see the difference in numpy array. If we want to relate the arrays, we need to create separate array for the year and separate array for the profit. And even if we create and then we need to combine them, or do the element wise comparison, or to access the values and use the index number. So here in dictionary, the pair is made with key and value. So how we can see it? We will just simply print it. Print profit underscore dictionary, and see it has given me the data from my dictionary. So you can create as many um, values as you want. So the first thing that we want to see is that, let's suppose we have a dictionary and we want to see the key values in the dictionary. So keys in the dictionary, sorry. So the keys, check the keys in the dictionary. In order to check the keys available in any dictionary, we can write, we can call the keys function in our dictionary, profit underscore dictionary dot keys, and this function will return the keys in my dictionary. So my dictionary has first year and second year key, so it has returned me the data from available, so the keys available in my dictionary. So let's suppose if we want to check, I'm just commenting it so that we can see only one output at a time. So now let's check if certain key is available in our dictionary or not. So to check whether, let's write it in a command. Check if specific key exists in dictionary or not. So for this, simple print and the key we want to search, let's suppose third year, and simple we will put the in operator and the name of the dictionary. So what I have done, I have just put the name of the key that I want to search and the in operator that is already coded in Python and the name of my dictionary, and it is going to return me true or false. So it will return me false if the key does not exist, and it will return true if the key exists. So it's a very simple check that we can do in order to find out if certain key is available or not in our dictionary. So let's move on. Let me comment this one. Dictionary is a very powerful data structures in Python, and we will see that how we are going to use it in a very powerful manner in future lessons. So today is just an introduction. So let's update a value for a key. Update value for a key. So there is a key first year in our dictionary. So let's change the profit value 2.4 to, let's suppose, 2.8. So how we will do it? We will just use the array subscripts profit underscore dictionary, and we will use the square brackets. And in the square brackets, we will write the key for which we want to change the value is equal to 2.8. Let's check out that the change has been done or not. So print profit underscore dictionary first year. See, the value has been changed. So this is how we can update the value for any key in our dictionary. So let's see, adding new key value pair. So if we want to add another year's profit, let's suppose third year's profit, so how we will do this? It's very simple again, and this is one method, so I will call it method 1. So there are two methods to add, so I will call it method 1. Simple profit underscore dictionary, and in the subscript I will write my new key and equal to the profit I want to write, 1.5 billion. So see how simple it is to add a new value pair in Python. It's very easy. So let's check out our new data in dictionary. Sorry, print profit underscore dictionary. See, the third year is added with 1.5 billion value. So this is the first method. Let's see another method, adding new key value method 2. This method is called update method. This update method is used when we have another dictionary and we want to merge both dictionaries. So let's assume that there is another dictionary in which the profit for sixth and seventh year or sixth or fifth year is recorded, and we want to merge it into our profit dictionary. So let's create a dictionary first. Profit is equal to, have two dictionaries and we want to merge this dictionary profit into our existing profit underscore dictionary using the update method. So what we will do, we will write profit underscore dictionary, the one we want to update, and in the brackets we will give the name of the dictionary we want to merge. So what I have done, the dictionary I want to update, the name of the dictionary, the dot operator, and then the update function, and then the name of the dictionary I want to merge into profit underscore dictionary. So it has merged it. Now let us check it with simple print command. So you can see that the profit dictionary now have first year, second year, third year, fifth year, and sixth year profit. So the profit dictionary is merged into profit underscore dictionary. Move on to the concept of removing the key pair, value pair from the dictionary. So let's see that how can we remove some key value from the dictionary, and for this we will discuss two methods again. So let's write a comment, removing key value pair method 1. The delete command, del, and then the name of the dictionary, and then the key. And it is done. Now we have deleted the second year profit from our profit dictionary. So let's check it with print profit underscore dictionary, and see, first year, third year, fifth year, and sixth year are available, but second year is deleted. So this was one way, just to use the delete command, write the name of the dictionary and the key pair, key value of the data you want to delete. And the next method is removing key value pair with the help of pop method. So let's see how can we remove a value from the dictionary using pop method. To the pop function, I need to give the name of the value, key of the value that I want to remove, and it is telling me that it has popped 3.1, so it is simply removed. Print profit underscore dictionary, and see we have first year, third year, and sixth year. So let's see if we want to remove a key. So let's see if we want to remove a key that does not exist, that already deleted. Removing a key that does not exist. So if we write it profit underscore dict dot pop, and I write fifth year, so what will it do? See, it has given me a long error that removing a key that does not exist. So it doesn't look nice, right? It doesn't look nice that if the key does not exist and it is giving you a long error. So what we can do, we can just put a comma and we can put a message here and we can write no key found. So it will be an appropriate message, no key found, that is it looks nice, and we can easily handle it. So this is a very brief introduction to Python dictionaries, and I hope you have understood it. And you can do little practice by creating different dictionaries. And in next lesson, I will show you that how can we create dictionary of dictionaries, means having multiple dictionaries in one dictionary. And we will move on further with the concept of dictionary data structure. So do let me know if you have any question and queries, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and share with your friends and family.